Well, I paid a visit to the students of NIMSU who are sitting on hunger strike. The strike has now entered its 15th day. So I came here not only as a member of the cabinet of Meghalaya, the Council of Ministers, but more also as an alumnus, as an ex-student of NEHRU. It is very disturbing, very saddening to see that a university that once was one of the top 50 in the country, and I can vouch with a lot of pride that when we were students here in the Department of English, we were rated as one of the top 10 in India. So it's disturbing to see this very rapid slide of NEHRU because of the failure of the administration on many fronts. But in short, the NEHRU has now prepared an internal report on the state of affairs within the university. I will go through this report, share and discuss it with the Honorable Chief Minister, and we will also flag those concerns with the HRD Ministry in Delhi. Number two is we would also like to see that the members of the probe committee, which has now been notified, should personally visit the university. It is one of the jewels of the education system in the country, and it should not be allowed to go to sea. You see, this is a central university, and the mandate of the Vice Chancellor is to lead from the front. The state government has absolutely no role in the administration of NEHRU, but in a situation that prevails today, this calls for intervention by the state government, which is why I have assured the hunger strikers that we will take up point by point all the issues flagged by them, and these will be brought to the notice of the Ministry of Human Resources Development. That's an internal matter. It's an internal matter. They have briefed me that they are convening a general meeting in a day or two, and that meeting will take the appropriate decision in that regard.
Myself, Priyanka Nath. I'm born and brought up in Shillong. So I'm here today to share one of my story, which is our successful story for the very recent launch helpline center to us from our from our Chief Minister, Mr. Congress Sangma, due to which we are getting the benefits. We had a very bad weather, due to which there's outage of current in many areas, and we being from the area of forest colony, due to the pine trees nearby in the forest, so what happened, the effects of the rain and the wind had collapses all the wires of the electricity, and due to which many of the areas are out of current for 2 days, 1 day, 4 days, and very badly we was on 5th day out of current. So the basic need for work from home, we require the electricity. I have been badly impacted and I was not sure where to reach out, whom to contact, but luckily one of my friend from Shillong, she helped me with the number 1971. So this is really a very magical number for me, because I have never thought that Meghalaya would have such kind of a number wherein we can call and get assistance then and there. I really appreciate Mr. Congress Sangma and the team, CM Connect, and I wish a very good luck to the team to do way better jobs in coming days. Thank you.